Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Where you get one of these at a low cost. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Oh baby. Andobil. Easy clip car mount, convenient, disassembly and assembly. Here we go. For iPhone, Androids, and up. So definitely check them out if you like this item. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. So, like I said, also if you got time, see what other goodies they have to offer. Here we go. Got good stuff right there. Here's where it is. Take everything out. Easy clip car mount. So we got the window. This one's easy. Pew pew. And he's got a twist. Extend and you can lock it in. See, nice and locked. And then that could be twisted. Here we go. Suction cup right there. And there's a lock button right here. Like that. Lock it in and it'll suction cup the window. We got one of these vents. Easy to use. Easy to install. It'd be great for Father's Day gift coming up, you know. Or give your friend, somebody that you know is doing DoorDash or Grubhub or Uber Eats or Postman or truck drivers. Like I said, Father's Day is coming, so this will be coming handy since we're opening back up now. So, see, you just clamp it in the air vent and boom, easy peasy. And now here's the main cradle. We have here nice gunmetal black. Nice shine too. On the side buttons right here. And right there, you just gotta press one. Boom. Close. One more time. Right at you. Nice. And just twist this off. I'll show you how to install it. Simple, easy, anyone could do it. Don't need really to help unless they are older. And I make sure, down here. Extend all the way. There you go. Got the Pro Max right here. Slide it in. Locked in. Nice and tight. There you go. This ain't going nowhere. So if you want to install this one, if you want to use your air vent, you just gotta put it through the loop. Oops. There you go. Lock it in. Twist a little bit. Full 360 action going on here. And lock it in wherever you want it. Unless you want it, do it that way. So you can have it this way, this way, this way. And to release, switch, lock, twist, and then we're gonna hop in the car again. Put that right there, put that right there. Put this down weight in there. Lock it in. twist it in. There we go. Full 360 action. Oops. Like I say, you can always extend it. Lock it in. We're going to do it lower. Right there. So I already showed you this. Just a little bit. See, I'm going to have it like kind of like this. And then bada boom. Locked. It ain't going nowhere, guys. Some good stuff right here coming from Andobil. So we're gonna hop in the car again and we'll be done. Comes with a little extra for your truck, your car, anything that you use, horse carriage. You never know these days. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, right here, just gotta peel this little film off and then apply it to your surface. It's been kind of hard to do one hand. I think I got it. Here we go. Look at that. She's a beauty. Bam. Post it up sideways. Here we go. Really cool, guys. So definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Have a good night. Be safe.